Photoshop has a lot of great tools for selecting objects and removing their background. For example, you could go to Select and Subject, but sometimes it doesn't do a good job. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this. As you can see, the marching ants are not very precise. So I'm going to get rid of this by hitting Control D. What we're going to do instead is we're going to use a selection tool instead. So you're going to go to the left side. You're going to find the rectangular marquee tool. You're going to click and hold. And you're going to go to the elliptical marquee tool. If you hold down your Shift key and you drag, it's going to create a circle. Don't worry if your circle is not perfect. Let go. Now that you have created a circle, you're going to right click inside this circle and you're going to click on Transform Selection. This will allow you to create a selection that better fits the object that you're trying to select. Drag the corners until you have a much tighter selection around your subject. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to help you move your selection to where you want it. Once you're satisfied, hit Enter on your keyboard, and now you have selected the world perfectly. We're going to now use the Mask tool to hide the background. Now that you have your world masked, you can save this as a Photoshop file. You can also view your mask by hitting the Alt key and clicking. This is the world as a mask. Everything that is white is showing, everything that is black is being hidden away. Alt click to return to normal view. And now to delete the pixels in the background completely so that they're not just hiding, so that they're actually gone, you're going to right click on that mask and you're going to click on the words Apply Layer Mask. And now you have a world without a background. Thank you for watching.